Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility and powering the lights. This prevents wasted steps later. Once done, make sure your Nest Hub and lights share the same Wi-Fi network, preferably 4 GHz for some bulbs. Open the Google Home app, sign into your Google account, and tap the plus sign to add a device. You'll select the appropriate option for new devices, put the bulbs or bridge into pairing mode now so the app can discover them immediately. Now you link the hardware. Choose the manufacturer or the works with Google integration and follow the app prompts to authorize account connections. Make sure to assign each light to a room and give it a clear name so you can control it by voice, for example, living room lamp. If your setup uses a bridge, complete that bridge's local setup first, then add bulbs through it. Grouping bulbs into one fixture simplifies commands and routines once everything appears in the Home app. Finish by testing simple voice commands and creating a routine for repeated actions. Routines let you trigger multiple lights with one phrase. Make sure the Nest Hub, bulbs, and any bridge have up-to-date firmware because updates resolve many connectivity issues. If a light won't appear, reboot your router and hub, confirm the network band and password, and try rediscovery. As a last resort, factory reset the bulb or bridge and repeat pairing. That usually clears persistent pairing conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.